This is the second in a series with the University of Guelph. We're very excited about this one. The first one was on soil health. This one was more on livestock health. And so it seems like it's a very complementary relationship between soil and livestock. And then we hope that there will be a future series that will involve other aspects of agriculture that will make for better farming and a better community and a better planet.
We have some grants called the Amplifying Research Impact Grants, and they're specifically focused on livestock. And the goal is to work with farmers, entrepreneurs, and animal producers on advancing solutions to priority problems in the livestock sector. And so these are just short one-year projects where we're going to work together with the community to try and come up with potential solutions to solve real-world problems.
Decided to come to today's event so that I could learn what the researchers are doing as far as research and potentially be involved in more of the research and just be educated.
So I think one of the things that stood out to me the most was the value of information and getting information to farmers and vice versa, back and forth from producers to academics. So what was really interesting was that there's a ton of information happening out there. Farmers have lots of great ideas and the academic institutions have great ideas, and how do we figure out how to get that information out into the real world and use it practically so that we can continue to grow and be progressive in our industry, no matter where we are in farming or what commodity that we're in. I'm a huge advocate for communication. I love getting more information. I love learning new things, and I think that's how we stay on top of things and how we take care of our animals even better than what we're already doing.
And this is what drove me to come to this meeting, because there was a talk of sustainability. I wanted to see how we can build this to even address more other species or even address more nutrients like phosphorus.
I learned a lot of information, met some really great people, and super excited about some of the networking opportunities we'll be able to take away from today.